Back in New York City, the problem isn't beer, but water. Without power, the 700 pumps that once emptied the subway system of an average of 13 million gallons of water a day are no longer operating. The tunnels are already beginning to flood. A 150 years after humans, the underground passages that had started to flood in the first 36 hours are now fast-flowing subterranean streams. The beams and archways that hold up the roofs of these tunnels are on the verge of collapse.
Now, these tunnels are not far below street level. These columns are supporting not just the roof of the tunnel, but the street above. And in time, if these tunnels are inundated and flooded with water, corrosion will start to take hold and we'll start to see collapses.
The tunnels echo to the sounds of cracking steel and cement as the streets above are sucked into the void.